These are 5 things you should do if you want to be a successful DJ and producer. Number 1, you need a good brand. Good logo, readable, have something that associates with your brand in some kind of way, something to make you different. Be hair theory, it could be a mask, it could be what you wear on stage. What sets you apart from everybody else? Number 2, you need to get out and network. What I mean by this is go to your local shows that play the kind of music you want to play. Talk to the promoters, buy them a drink. That's what I did. Buy them all shots and be like, can I open? You're gonna play for free. It's okay. We've all done it. Network, network, network. You never know who you're gonna meet at a show. Number 3, dedicate a lot of time to making your sets. Make them unique. And what I mean by that is you make edits. You don't wanna just take a song off SoundCloud or Beatport and just be playing those. You wanna make your sets different from everybody else's. Number 4, if you're worried what your family or friends are gonna say, literally block them off everything. I think I blocked almost everybody from high school when I first started because I knew people would talk shit about me and I didn't want that evil eye around me. So just block it, block out the noise. Literally fuck what people say because these are the same people that will be asking you for the guest list. Number 5, honestly had a lot of trouble like just beginning on where to start. Had trouble when I first started DJing. I literally bought a controller and then never touched it for like 3 years. It takes a lot. And I think structure is really important. My mom found this school called Recording Connections online. It's way cheaper than what a lot of these other music schools offer. I got to have a mentor that has been through DJing and playing big festivals. Really set me up for success. And I feel like having that structure was what I needed, especially being a young adult. Y'all should check it out. I might be making a course with them shortly.